Hello WordPress nerds. So in this video we are going to talk about safely output HTML with dynamic values. So in order to do that, before jumping into the code, let me show you something. So here I am on the local site and this is my custom plugin, and all my videos tutorials are demonstrated in this custom plugin. So I'm going to use the same plugin for this video as well. So in one of my previous videos I created this admin menu and I displayed this two fields inside that admin menu page. And if you don't know how to create this admin menu and display fields, I would suggest to watch that video first. The link is into the description section, and come back again on this video. And if you know what you are doing, then keep watching this video. So I'm gonna open my local repo. This is my local WordPress repo, and I'm gonna open my plugin. This is my plugin, includes an admin.php. So this is the function responsible for displaying field 1, and here you will see that I directly echo this input tag over here with this dynamic value. But instead of doing this, what we can do, so we can use this WPS printf function. WPS printf function is nothing but the WordPress version of PHP's as printf version. We can use similar in this WordPress as we use for the PHP. So let's try to echo and then as printf. Now inside WPS printf, I'm gonna copy this whole HTML and paste it over here. But when you use this as printf function, wherever the dynamic values are, instead of putting the values like this, we have to put a placeholder. So you can put placeholder like this, $1s, and then you have to put comma, and then you have to use whatever the dynamic value you are using. So the number of dynamic values you use, the number of placeholder, you have to use that. So for example, this is the first placeholder we use, so that's why we put $1s. If we put second, let's say I'm gonna add class, and that is also dynamic, let's assume. So I'm gonna put that as a $2s. In that case, we have to put classes value at the second place. And make sure you don't put comma at the last value. So let's say I'm gonna add this as a BWP. So this will not change any output, but this is the safe way to output a small snippet of HTML. Let's see, just to make sure our field is correct. So let's refresh this. So it broke something. So let's see what happens. So it should not break this, but it is broken from somewhere else. I'm not sure if that's because of our code. So let's try to figure out what happened. Okay, so something went wrong with our code. So let's find out. Okay, sorry, it should be like %1 and then $s, %2 and then $s. My mistake, sorry about that. So let's refresh this, and now it's fine. So placeholder should be like %1 and then $s, %2 and then $s. Or you can use something like this. So if you are expecting the text value, you can put it like s, %s for both. And if you are expecting an integer value, you can put %d. But let's put %s here and let's refresh this. So our field remains same. Now similarly, let's try to figure out, let's try to display this drop down safely. So here we have the select an option, and here we see the option tag with some dynamic values. So we can use WPS printf over here. So what we need is option tag, then we want selected, so let's put $1 for this selected parameter. Then we have value, so let's put value equals to %2 $s. Then we have the title here, so $3 and that's it. Now let's fill the values over here. So we already have this selected, so for $1 we will put selected. Then for the value we have get title, so we will put get title for %2, and again we have get the title for %3, meaning third placeholder. So now let's comment this and let's see our output is correct or not. So we are getting correct output. So this is how you can output the HTML with dynamic values, and this should be follow only when you have a small snippet or lines, small number of HTML lines. Otherwise, if you have a big HTML, then avoid using this. So yeah, this is the video guys. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video.